In this tutorial, we're going to look at getting your 3D models from Blender into Substance Painter. So after you've modeled your mesh, you're going to want to go to File, Export, FBX. Now save this wherever you would like, and I will see you in Substance Painter. So once you have exported your model and opened up Substance Painter, you're going to want to go to File, New, select your model, and then you're going to want to select your resolution. In this case I'm going to go for 2K. I'm going to leave the other settings as is. I'm going on the assumption that you've already UV unwrapped your model, and then we're going to press OK. And now our model is in Substance Painter. For a more in-depth workflow from Blender to Substance Painter, be sure to check out my Color ID or Vertex Painting tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.